Uh, OMG network. I also pulled this up here on Token Metrics. So looking at the low frequency strategy here, it's been pretty bullish on, or rather bullish on this since March, early March at 542. Right now it's at 952. So almost a 1x since then.
Okay, so I'm looking at OMG. It really seems like there's upside to say 11. Okay, it's run into some pretty serious selling here. Somehow I suspect that the reason it's kind of running into sellers early is because people may be anticipating a big Bitcoin or Ethereum move. That said, if you're looking to buy a dip, it looks like 9.34 would be a good level to grab some if you think and believe it's got a shot at 13 or 14. As we've discussed, a lot of bigger altcoins, possibly a lot of the ones that trade on Coinbase, might have another moon move up. I know the first 3x of all the coins on Coinbase caught everyone off guard. OMG went from 4 to 10, and perhaps it's time to take your money. But if 934 acts as support, just like with 1inch, it rushes up, and then if it comes back down, and even though sellers, hit it, if buyers show up on reasonable small dips, it could be a very powerful sign if the market turns around. So obviously you have to pay attention to these levels and see how the market trades. You have to watch resistance to see if the market backs away from it when it gets there. Okay, you have to see, like with 1inch, right? When it gets to an inflection point, when sellers show up, do buyers meet them? Frequently, when there's resistance, if the market does not back off much, it can be an indication that it's eventually going to go through that resistance. VeChain is probably the all-time classic example. Forrest was mentioning it earlier. I've been pounding on VeChain, feels like since I got out of college. VeChain gets to 9 cents. I go, this may seem a little toppy, and then it goes to 14. Why? Because when it got to 9 cents, it never really backed off. So paying close attention to who's winning the battle between bulls and bears at a very interesting support or resistance point is key to understanding the risk reward of what comes next.
All right. Thank you, Bill.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.